on. That's called revenge. I'm coming for you, Sammy. See you later, Sammy. Look at this collection he's got here. What a nice setup.
That's way better. I like this.
All right, everybody, welcome back to the channel. Fly and Ride here. Good morning, sunshine. I got another great video for you today. I am on the Pikes Peak. I'm headed to meet Mr. Cycle Fanatic, also known as Fast Track. It's got 2 channels. We got the sports bike today, and we're headed to some pretty awesome destinations. We're gonna go meet Steve. We're gonna go meet Sammy. We're gonna go to Vinny's place, which you haven't seen, at least not on my channel. And we're gonna have a great time, and I'm bringing you with me. If you're new here, I'm Fly and Ride. On this channel, I focus on motovlogs, ride videos, ride reviews on 3 bikes: 2024 Pikes Peak, 2020 Streetlight CVO, 2022 BMW R1250 GS, and I feature a bunch of different bikes. We got a great crew. They all have awesome bikes. I just featured Nadal's brand new 2025 Triumph 1200RR Britling edition. Numbered bike, 170 out of 270. I'm going to leave the video up here if you haven't seen that bike. It's absolutely beautiful. That's the kind of stuff I bring you here on the channel. Group rides like we're about to do this morning, destination rides, cinematic drone footage, product upgrades, product reviews, all here on the channel. So do me a favor, if you like that kind of content, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of content like this one. I'm about 30 minutes from the first meeting spot where I'm going to meet John. And then from there, we're going to hit some nice backcountry twisty roads on his Beast 1000RR, M1000RR BMW. He just got the BD Moto Tune. That thing is unrestricted. And it moves. That's Johnny Boy right there. All right, so we didn't even take a break. We're rolling. Look how nice that tail tidy looks on that BMW. That thing is so bright. I wish they had made something like this for the Ducati. All right, and we're off. We're headed to yeah, that thing freaking moves. Thing is nice, man. About 47 minutes. I think it's called Anna Centerville Circle, I think. Anyway, Stevie, Sammy are meeting us there, and then from there we're gonna go by Vinny's place, which I've never been to. I've never shown you that here in the channel. He's got an awesome garage, an awesome bike collection. You're gonna want to stick around for that. He's gone. That's called revenge. I deserve that, because we did a video a while ago, and the bike was still not broken in, and of course, you know, he couldn't keep up at that time because he was super restricted, and we knew it was only a matter of time before the smackdown happened. And but my point being, yes, of course the bike is faster, but he's not losing me. I'm staying right close to him. But that thing is definitely faster. I mean, you saw it there, just taking off. I'm gonna have to do a quick stop here for gas. Let me tell you, riding like that, what I call fun mode, this thing eats up the gas. Look how beautiful this is. Look at that. We're about a few minutes from the first stop to meet the boys. Look at that view. Holy smokes, that's cool. So while I'm not a fan, man, look at that truck just hauling up that hill. While I'm not a fan of the hike up here from where I am, Turnpike Parkway, all highway. Once you get up to this area, man, there's some pretty epic riding up here. Man, let me tell you, this road is already packed, and it's only 7:56 in the morning. Lean into it. Perfect. 4 miles left. Time to gas up. I have 4 miles left. 5? Perfect. Slowest pump in the universe. How many gallons are you at? 4.8. All right, they're meeting us here. We're going to stop here and grab some coffee. All right, check out this lineup right here. You got Glenn on his BMW. This is Steve's new bike. I did a video on this one already. That's John's Beast. We got the GSXR, and this is Sammy's new Ninja that I was telling you about. We're rolling out. We're headed to Vinny's. Sport bike boys. Leaning into that turn. Peak hanging out with the sport bikes. Man, these roads are awesome. No question these sports bikes are faster, but man, I will gladly give up some of that massive speed for all that I get with this style of bike. And yeah, they're faster, but I can keep up. There's no question about it. Man, look at this. It's just freaking beautiful riding over here. Again, if you can stomach that annoying ride up north, this area is pretty epic riding here. Bojan, Sammy, and Steve are from Vinny's house. They're gonna head up north to Vermont, I think. So they're gonna have a pretty awesome day of riding. And then John and I are going to head back. Oh, I guess we're going a different way. I'm coming for you, Sammy. See you later, Sammy. I'm eating some ninjas for breakfast. Ah, man, we're gonna get off on the exit. We're just starting to have some fun. Come on, baby, I want to eat some Ninja. Man, what a blast riding these bikes. On the right. I see it here. You go ahead. Man, look at this property. Woo! What's up, brother?
How we doing?
Good, man.
How are you?
It's good to see you, bro.
See you.
Beautiful place, man.
Thank you.
I love it. Oh, look at this. Man, I gotta come hunting here.
I used to hunt here years ago.
Yeah. I'm sure you got a lot of deer coming up through here. Yeah, right?
Big right.
Your bike sounds good, bro.
Yeah? You hear?
They all know you passed me.
What happened, Sammy?
I wasn't racing you.
I wasn't racing you either.
You passed me.
That was fun.
That thing sounds.
It sounds cool, right? All these bikes are fast, man.
You gotta see his crazy garage, bro.
Oh, I know. That's what I want to see. I told the fans here they haven't seen the Vinny compound.
From the garage.
All right, so we're gonna go into the Vinny garage. Oh my God, look at this. This is what I was telling you about. Look at this garage. Holy smokes. All right, so this is the system that he's been talking about. Wow, that's a serious system.
Sport bikes. You just take different pins for different models.
Right.
Pin on the back.
It just locks in. No
Just
straps. You're done.
That's it.
This goes under the frame on the Harley.
Okay.
No straps. You're done.
how it squeezes?
So, but how does? Oh, so it just goes in?
Squeezes on the
Squeezes
back.
the frame.
Look at this collection he's got here.
That was. About 5 years.
This was out a long time.
Look at these bikes.
Put that on my trailer. I don't have to strap it.
The first time I saw this was in Atlantic City.
Dude, you fucking told me about that night.
Look at this.
I bought this one.
Man,
Yeah, that's
I
way
was
better.
selling that to Steve.
what a nice setup.
That's way better. I like this.
This is neat. You
just go like this.
you don't load the suspension.
Clicks in, and then you just turn that side piece and tighten it right
It has
up.
a handle that adjusts it, done.
You don't have to take it off, you just hit it with your foot.
I gotta do it.
You hit the thing with your foot.
That's it. It comes. Oh, I see a Can-Am back there. Oh yeah, this is the bad boy. This is the same one I used to have, man. Identical. He's got the 850. I had the 1000, I think. Oh, look at these. Look at these trophies back here. Vinny's not messing around, man. Man, check out this freaking Outlander. That looks awesome. So this is the Vinny compound.
In the refrigerator.
Beautiful place, man.
Thank you.
Congrats, bro. And I absolutely love this system. That trailer looks awesome. All right, so we're checking out Ben's place inside. Oh my God, look at these trophies. Holy smokes. That's a serious safe.
That's terrible.
You got a freaking beautiful place, man. Oh my God, look at these trophies. Wow. Where'd you get that one, man?
Alaska.
Holy smokes, man. Man, look at that. Look at that gobbler, bro.
Vin, what does it cost to do a head like that today?
I think they're like $550 now.
Yeah.
550?
At least, yeah. That's the going rate
I
for
remember
them.
when they were $225.
Yeah.
$175.
Remember back in the day? Yeah.
And what are those Fox?
That is a coyote in the middle.
Look at that.
That's a fox on the wall.
This is a Matthews, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's what I use. Beautiful place, man.
Thank you.
All right. What a great way to end this video. Just look at this view. Vinny's got an awesome place. They're headed up to Vermont. John and I actually gonna head back home. I got about a 2-hour ride. I got a bunch of stuff to do with the family. Beautiful day, awesome day, hanging out with most of the crew, not everybody, obviously. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, hit that bell notification so you can be reminded of future content like this one. Thanks for watching.